Trouble getting your sales copy to convert for your clients' offers might be this one thing. In his book, Breakthrough Advertising, Eugene Schwartz talks about audience awareness. Did you know there are actually 5 levels? And if you're not hitting the audience with the right marketing message for the level that they're at, your message will fall on deaf ears. Let me break it down for you. People exposed to marketing messages at different levels of awareness. It ranges from cold and unaware to hot or most aware. Let's walk through the stages so that you can see how things progress. So first of all, we start off with the cold audience. They are completely unaware of anything besides the fact that they are in pain. They know something's wrong, but they have no idea what it is. Next up, we've got your problem aware. They understand now what's causing their pain, but they don't know how to solve it. And they move into this solution aware. Solution aware people have realized in a general way what can solve their problem. So they don't know the exact thing that they need. They need to be educated on the best solution, which then can move them into the product aware stage. This is where they become completely aware of what your client's offer is and how it can solve their problem. And then when they're ready, they become buyers, or the most aware. They are completely sold out, and then something amazing happens. Become brand evangelists. These are your buyers. They actually give you money. Start using it and telling other people about it. And so that message trickles down to other people in their networks who are product aware, who are solution aware, who are problem aware, and who are unaware. This helps move them up the stages more quickly to become buyers. The important thing for you to remember is you need to know what stage an audience is at in order to be able to meet them with the right marketing message to move them to the next stage. It's very hard to get people to jump stages. If you're up here just talking about the features of your offer to somebody who's has no idea what their problem even is or how to solve it, it's going to fall on deaf ears. They're going to have no idea what to do or how it's even the solution that they're looking for. So think about what stage your target audience is and create a marketing message to move them to the next stage and the next stage and the next stage. And as you grow a pool of these most aware hot buyers, they will help you spread the word, become brand evangelists, and reach down and pull people up more quickly through the stages. One of the only things that can pull people through the stages. If you like this sales copy tip, follow me because there's more where that came from.